In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the itunes.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is just try to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Restarting helps you to refresh all the system processes and system programs of your Windows. So simply restart. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. So click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. Updating your Windows comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. So click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click the button right here to check for updates for your Windows 11. You can also update the application that is giving you the error. The next thing is you can disable the third-party antivirus software that you have installed into your Windows, like Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes. Try to temporarily disable that. Then the next thing that we can do is to open a browser and simply search for Visual C++, redistributable, and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type. So check first your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type and install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.